Hey guys, okay, so I am in my hotel room in Roswell, New Mexico. I didn't want to go into a restaurant, so I went to the grocery store and I have a little camp box. So I knew I had a bowl in there, and so what I did is I went and got a bag salad. They didn't have any organic, which, sometimes when you're traveling out of state, you'll find that you don't have a selection. But I bought a bag salad, and so I have my little bowl, and of course I got forks and knives at the grocery store. And then I've got some of this chicken that is all ready to go. So I can just zip it open, and eat it. So that will be my dinner tonight. And I mean, that was a bargain, right? That was like, I think a total of $10. So it just, you can get creative on the road. So because I have an ice chest with me, if that helps, right? So I'm packing my little pocket knife with me. So I'm going to eat in the room, and hopefully it'll cool down below 100 by like 8 o'clock. There's a really cool dog park here with water and everything. And so I got to burn some energy off this dog. She was in the truck 5 hours a day. Anyway, I just thought I'd share with you what I do eating on the road. All right, bye.
And if you want more tips like this, make sure and follow me on Divine Farmer Health.